How to hide block calls from call log in Samsung. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to hide block calls from call log in Samsung. To do this, you want to first of all open the phone application, then go to the recent sections. When you go to the recent tab, now what you need to do is here you want to go ahead and locate the particular call, or you could just go ahead and tap on the three dot icon from the top right, and then you could see this option is settings, or you could also find the option is hide blocked calls. You could do this by tapping on the options, or you could just go ahead and look for these options right over here, hide block calls, and this is how you could hide block calls from. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.